guys, back again. Got it working now on the low resolution. It's running Another World, as you can see. I haven't got any sound on it yet, it's just like pure testing. But it seems to be pretty stable with the games. I'm running Workbench 3.9. But I need to do a couple of updates on that thing, the Boeing updates, update 1 and 2, which I'm still learning anyway, so you know, we'll get back to you with other updates. But yeah, I like the 1000. It's up to date. It's up to date now. It's pretty cool, and yeah, can't really fault it with this vampire board in it. You know, the guys have done a very good job of everything. So yeah, okay, let you go. Catch you later. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Thanks. Bye now.